In this video, we are going to see how we can delete all of these notifications that we receive on iPhone. It's a pretty straightforward and simple process here, guys. All we have to do is just swipe from the left-hand corner where your time is and just swipe it at the bottom. And there we have the notification center, as you can see. A couple of notifications is from different applications. You can turn that off or customize that. But here in the notification center, you will see this cross sign next to it. Here it is. You just hold on to that and click on clear all notifications and it will be cleared right away. As you can see, now we have this clean and clear notification center. No older notification it shows, and that is how it is done. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.